Do you ever feel stressed or overwhelmed? Have you ever baked a cake or a cookies and suddenly everything feels right? What if I told you that baking could not only heal your mind, but it could also grow your bank account? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you how baking can be a form of a therapy and how it can also turn into a business that brings you money. So stay till the end of this video because you are going to just love this. And don't forget to save and share this video with someone who might need a little baking therapy and a financial inspiration. Hi everyone, my name is Dipti Harshad Vartak and I am a home bakery business coach. And today I am talking about something really close to my heart, how baking can heal your mind and grow your bank account as well. So let's start by talking about how baking can help you mentally. Have you ever noticed how peaceful it is to mix ingredients, knead the dough, and smell freshly baked cookies? It's like the whole world slows down for a moment, isn't it? That's because baking requires your full attention. You are focused on measurements, timing, and making sure everything turns out just right. So let me ask you, when was the last time you baked something? How did it make you feel? Let me know in the comments. Baking is a great way to practice mindfulness. It's like a mini meditation. But at the end of it, you get a delicious treat as well. And it is so super satisfying because it gives you a sense of accomplishment. When you bake something from scratch, you see the results right in front of you. Whether it is a loaf of bread, a batch of cookies, or a cake. That feeling of I made this is amazing, isn't it? Baking is one of those activities that keeps your hands busy but frees your mind. And you are focused on the task at hand. And for a while, you forget about your worries. This is especially helpful if you are feeling anxious or stressed. Did you know that therapists actually recommend baking as a way to deal with anxiety? The process of following the recipe, measuring the ingredients, and watching something transform in your oven gives you a sense of control and purpose as well. When life feels out of control, the structure of baking can really ground you. And let's not forget the joy of sharing your baked goods with others. When someone takes a bite and smiles, it's like you are sharing a little piece of happiness with them. So, have you ever baked something for someone and it made their day? How did that feel? Now, let's shift gears a bit. How can baking help you grow your bank account? Maybe you already had people tell you, wow, you should sell this. Well, they might be onto something. A home bakery is one of the easiest and the most rewarding businesses you can start. Why? Because there is always a demand for delicious and homemade treats. So let's break it down. Low startup cost. You don't need a lot of money to start a home bakery. You are probably already baking in your own kitchen with the equipments you already have. So you are saving on overhead costs like rent and utilities that a traditional bakery would have. Flexibility. You can choose your own hours, bake what you love, and take orders that fit your schedule. This makes it a great side business if you are juggling with too many responsibilities. High profit margins. Baked goods have great margins. For example, the ingredients for a loaf of bread might cost you a few rupees, but you can sell it for much more. And if you specialize in custom cakes, you can charge premium prices as well. So, have you ever thought about selling your baked goods? What would you want to start with? Cookies, cakes, or something else? Let me know in the comment box. Let me also give you some simple steps to help you get started if you are thinking of turning your baking hobby into a home bakery business. First thing first, perfect your recipes. Start with the recipes you are already confident in. Make sure they taste amazing every single time you use that recipe for baking. And you don't need to offer 20 different items. Just start with 2 or 3 of your best and get feedback from your friends and family. Second most important point is building your brand. See, brand is not just about a name or a logo for your bakery. It is about how you make other people feel. Think about what makes your baked goods special. Maybe you bake vegan treats, or maybe your designs are super creative. Whatever it is, make sure to share it with the entire world. Number 3, use social media. Social media is your best friend when it comes to promoting a home bakery. Instagram and Facebook are great platforms to show off your baked goods. Take beautiful pictures, post regularly, and share the story behind your treats. Fourth point is start small. See, you don't need to quit your job or invest in a big commercial kitchen right away. Start by taking orders from your friends, from your families, and from your neighbors. Word of mouth is so powerful. And if people start tasting your delicious treats, your business will grow. Fifth point is price for profits. See, it is important to know how much your ingredients are costing, how much time it takes to bake that cake. Make sure you price your goods in a way that covers your cost and it also gives you a fair profit. And don't be afraid to charge what you are worth. So, what do you think you would sell first if you started your own home bakery? Let me know in the comments below. The great thing about baking is that it not only brings you the personal joy, but it also gives joys to others. And they are willing to pay for that joy. Whether it is a birthday cake, a special holiday treat, or just something sweet for a weekend snack. People love homemade baked goods. And when they know it's made with so much love and care, they are willing to pay extra as well. So just imagine turning something you already love doing into a side income or even a full time business. Amazing, isn't it? The possibilities are just endless. Baking can heal your mind while giving you a sense of calm, creativity, and accomplishment. And it can grow your bank account by allowing you to share that joy with others while earning money. So, whether you are baking to relax or baking to earn, remember that every cake, every cookie, or every loaf of bread that you make has a power to change your life. It can make your day brighter and your wallet a little fuller. So, what's stopping you from turning your love for baking into a business? Let me know that as well in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who could use some baking inspiration. And also subscribe to my channel Dipti Harshad Vartak for more tips and advice on how to start and grow your home bakery. Until next time, happy baking!